Kids room must-haves. Hi, my name is Aditi and today we're going to talk about all the things that you need to have in your kids room. Before starting this video, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. We currently have a 150 subscriber goal and we really want you to be a part of our family. If you're wondering what a kids room should have, well, I'm here to help you. When it comes to decorating a kids room, there are a lot of things that you need to consider. The first and foremost is that you need your child to be comfortable in their own room, and you also want them to have plenty of space for their toys and their clothes. And of course, it is really important about how much fun your kid is having while they're spending their time in their room. So here are a few things that every kid needs in their room once they've grown out of that nursery. So let's get started. A good quality bed should be on the top of your lists when it comes to your kids' room's essentials. You want something that will last and something that they can grow into. Look for a bed frame that fits a standard mattress, has a headboard and a footboard. You'll also want to find a dresser or nightstand to set lamp on at night. Make sure the walls are painted in an easy to coordinate color that can adapt to changing decor tastes as your child grows. Customizing your child's space with quotes is a great way to send a personal message. Think about the kind of message that you want your child to hear when they enter their bedroom. It can be either something motivational or inspirational, or it can either be the quote from their favorite book or maybe just the lyric of their favorite song. Turning these quotes into art for your child's room is a fantastic way to share with them every day, and there are lots of great ways to display them. You can paint the quote directly on the wall or even make stencils and cut out letters from fun papers or fabrics. The choices are as limitless as your imagination. You can even have your child help you create the artwork so they feel like it was created just for them. Having a laundry hamper or basket in your child's room is important for your kids' room essentials. In fact, it would probably be better to have two. One can be placed in the closet where the kids can throw their dirty clothes as they undress before bedtime or after playtime. You can also place another one near the bathroom so that they can put their dirty clothes there after a bath. The spot where you place your laundry basket depends on how much space you have and how likely it is that your child will use it. As mentioned before, if you have limited space, then placing one inside of a closet may work best for your situation. If you don't need hampers inside of closets, then placing one near your child's dresser may work best as well. A desk area is another essential element in your child's room. It will serve as a place where your child can do homework, play quietly with toys and games, or hang out when they want to be alone. If you don't have enough space for a separate desk, a study nook with built-in shelves can be the next big thing. Also, in an alcove or empty corner of your bedroom, use inexpensive bookcases to create a study station. And make sure you have plenty of storage available for notebooks, pens, books and other supplies as well. Put framed pictures of your family, pets or other loved ones around the room. There is absolutely nothing like having your nearest and dearest smiling at you when you walk into a room. Putting up framed photos of different family members all around will serve as a constant reminder that family is everything. You can put the photos on your desk, on side tables or hang them on your walls. All are great options for surrounding yourself with love and support. Every child needs a place that is fun and playful. A great way to make your children's room feel more inviting is with brightly colored wall art. Your child's bedroom is the perfect place to incorporate bolder colors and funky patterns that you might not use in other rooms of your home. There are so many options when it comes to kid-friendly wall decorations, from subtle tape designs to intricate murals and everything in between. Use themes that inspire your child as a part of your kids' room's essential. A lot of kids have various hobbies or interests like animals or sports. So why not bring those into the design of your kids' bedroom? You can find wall art for kids' rooms that matches these themes, whether it's a collection of football or basketball canvases they put up themselves, or you create an animal theme by using the name-framed art set on their walls, each with a different cute critter illusion. These make great additions because they add some character to the room while still being conducive for your child's personal interests. Storage and organization are important, but especially crucial in a child's room. Since children tend to collect more stuff than adults, it is really important that everything has its own place. The best way to prevent a messy room is by installing lots of different types of bins and storage containers. This allows parents to keep toys organized and easily accessible for their children. Hooks are the perfect way to add functionality and design into any house. In my opinion, every home should have a wall hook or two. They are extremely practical for hanging up coats, bags, hats and scarves in the entryway, but also can come in handy for towels in the bathroom, jewelry and accessories in your kids' room, and pictures around the house or even plants. While a bookshelf's primary function is holding books, it can also be used to store other items. They are a great place to keep toys, puzzles, games and more. If you don't have the floor space for another bookshelf, consider wall-mounted shelves. You can also use the space under the bed. A reading light should be positioned at a distance from the bed that makes for comfortable reading. With sconces in particular, you can position them slightly behind the headboard and angle them so they're shining toward the center when your kid is reading a book. This is also a great way to take advantage of natural light during the day, since you can adjust the angle of your wall reading lights to bounce daylight off a nearby window or mirror. One of the most important aspects when it comes to trash cans is that it is of the right size for your child. A small can will be more likely to be filled with junk, whereas a large one may not fit in the space that you have available. One of the best ways to keep your trash can clean is to get your children used to using it. It doesn't matter how old your kids are. If they're too young for school yet, still want to help out by recycling or composting, then this is an excellent first step. Another way of getting kids into the habit of telling them when they should throw things away instead of just throwing them all over their room. This is it for this video. If you liked our video, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.